Hello students, this is a very short tutorial on how to use SpeakPipe, one tool that you have to use to do your activity for this week. And the idea is that you are going to go to your quiz here, yes, in the week 2. This is the quiz that you have to present, and in the end of the quiz you will find the speaking section, yes? What you have to do in this speaking section is to talk about your dream home, describing its characteristics, location, rooms, and objects in the rooms, using there is, there are, and some prepositions of place. Here you have very simple instructions, 3 simple instructions. It says go to the speakpipe.com voice recorder, yes, which is this link. After you are going to copy the link, and then you paste the link here in this box. So we are going to do a test to see how it works. You go here, yes, you click on start recording, you allow the microphone, and you start talking. You can say that your house is a really beautiful place, that it has 2 bedrooms, that there is a backyard, there is a bathroom, and there is a big living room. As soon as you finish, you stop here and you save on server. If you want, you can write your name and then you save. When you do this, you wait for a second and you are going to copy this link, okay? The link that is below, not the link that is in here, because this is the link to the web page. This is the link to your recording. Este es el verdadero link a su grabación. So you have to copy the link, you have to go to your quiz, and then paste the link there. Yeah, you say, hello teacher, this is my recording. And you paste the recording and you finish the attempt and send the information. So I hope that this is very helpful for you. Hope that you can do this activity before tomorrow. Remember that you have to send it before tomorrow night. And that's it. Hope you find it useful. Bye bye.